Hey everyone, in this Excel tutorial, we will cover the difference between count, count A and count blank function and how to use them for data analysis. Let's suppose we have this small data set and we want to apply this function on this data set. To apply count, we need to start our function by pressing equal count and we need to give values. In my case, this data range is provided. Just close the bracket and hit enter. It returns us 4 because this data set only contain 4 digit values. Next is equal to count A, and again we need to give data range and just close the bracket and hit enter. It returns me 8 because there are 4 digit values and 4 text values. Next we want to count blank. For this again we choose same data range and just close the bracket and hit enter, and it returns 2 because in this data range there are only 2 empty cells, or you can say blank cells. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Excel tutorial.